Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. Daily routines, plus bonus content, simple tense verbs. So be sure to stick around for the second part of this video for that bonus content. Okay, great. Let's start. What do you do every day? I get up at 6:30. What do you do every day? I make the bed. What do you do every day? I make breakfast. What do you do every day? I have breakfast. What do you do every day? I wash the dishes. What do you do every day? I go to work. What do you do every day? I exercise in the evening. What do you do every day? I do laundry. What do you do every day? I take a shower. What do you do every day? I go to bed at 10. Simple tense. I walk to work. I need to check your heart. Don't annoy me. I like to relax. I can wash the windows later. We can lift these weights. Please play for us. Let's take a stroll this afternoon. We like to clean. Listen to this. I skate to school. I can fix the sink. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all of my videos, and please check those boxes to get my posts, and please join the channel. That would be great. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thank you very much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.